We say good morning to all the students
Right.
who are going to school.
Yeah.
Maybe inside the bus, school
Right.
bus, and matakango. Be careful, students.
Right.
And ano mo dami na naman basin dami toko pa kundo. Kaya nang kasi dake.
Doon naman naka.
Me loriti ko meron dami chipa malo nangone and matakango be renta dimuni.
Yeah.
Kamo bimbita nga na be tolingon ni sale so da tonda ko nanda be korbo babalagi.
Nimbulan.
We say ano binaka and bula binaka to all the LC drivers
Right.
and to all the students heading to school this morning.
Right.
Ano binaka Dems, ano binaka Mika?
Good morning, Atu, and good morning, Dams. Very good morning to those of you tuning in this morning. Wherever you are, we are this morning because of what we are engaging ourselves
Yeah.
through this, what you call these Dams, online and
Yeah.
also on air.
Online therapy.
Online therapy na unwe kata-kata. And nabuko ni nanda mito kanichiko and mona lima.
Yeah.
Sa ngawaling nga niya, this is Karupo in Rona FM, and also those of you tuning in the live stream,
Yeah.
wherever around the world you tuning in this morning.
We believe some listeners are still in bed now.
Yes.
Dan retsi ko na non duri mayar matang ko. Bikim na senda to kan
Of
dabo.
course.
Ni velo manito ko patake no log patake no tu kere.
Right.
Robin bi manda kasere manda tasere manda.
Iyo.
Sele manda nang lala era matang ni bingram ko ya bala manda ya bala.
Me bakata
Moro
ki
kata-kata.
Iyo, me bakata ki Mario Ken indende dia.
Yeah, what's happening?
Taxi 5254.
Right.
5254.
All right.
Abambi mi be liti iso ke tuluke ngoy kornibuli.
Good morning.
Thank you very much for maintaining discipline and on par during schoolwork. Good morning, Bulabay from Bararameli Road, Chikatoka.
Iyo.
Tamay Sai
Iyo.
to the LM3.
Oh, from Tonya.
Tonya.
Tonya no sorry suba.
Yeah.
Kero duri tu basi pasi na ko.
Oh, era
Okay.
na tabali.
Right.
Na
We
boleh
say
Sarah.
good morning to you, and not forgetting one fella too. This fella is from our Tabata.
Iyo.
Okay.
He driving van.
Oh, okay.
I would like to say good morning to Turanga Tabata.
Right.
He's no LM305. Suban driver Waisiki Masirewa
Oi.
from Totoya from Lau.
Oi.
Thank you very much,
Sanjira.
Tabata LM305, and also to the all LM.
Iyo.
Okay.
They are here in the road.
Right.
LM24, LM49,
Yeah.
LM55,
26.
26,
Yeah.
and every LM from Suba. No sorry, Korowo.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Don't bobinak. We say ano binak to all the loading boys.
Right.
Na rukuni budi bebele memba ano binak tajim ken screw ni takataka.
Dinasa.
Tapos si bikim doran driver ni minivan may low to kamba.
Iyo.
And baka dambe signi ko. Imagine the gang up in the highlands of Fiji.
Yes.
Iyo.
Manantari batu. And that is a cool place.
Very
They
cool.
didn't see each other. They just hear the voice because of the Kembu.
Ah?
The Kambu. They can't see each other. They hear the sound,
Yeah.
the voice.
What?
The Kembu. Hey, Jody.
Kaya sinra ni sili o impat matanangon eh.
Iya.
Bikim na maramatin na bikim na nagkasita kini bukir na lubenta.
Iya.
Non sili o kata-kata na matakan ko.
To Jody from UK. This is from the gym. Kona pun labi kambi.
Iya.
Jody and the family. Timay Maralulu. Ngelewanga may lambasa.
Oh,
Right.
ginawa ka.
Mbasi lebu isu basa sema teningo.
Mai.
Mai.
Ona iko sese.
Iya.
Mbule binaka to you. And munrau lamba Elenoni.
Right.
Thank you very much. Joe Rogobesu.
Yeah.
Kasi what's called this to the bus.
Right.
Joining this morning.
Yes, this weekend is busy weekend for us.
Yeah.
Nikuha.
Every weekend busy.
Doon mo nak, may balat sa na showcase
Right.
na 40th birthday ni Kaban Livungan Communications Fiji Limited, which is the sweet to the backbone
Yeah.
of the Salika Kamurakingo
Yeah.
na VTFM today. The Saint 4th Street
Yeah.
ngolatak may Kalibari.
Right.
And songo tigo and bugun ni songo
Yeah.
and think daro songo na pagadur ni kuwa na cocktail na pagadur ni kuwa. Us three will be here
Yeah.
this evening to enjoy with the friends
Yeah.
and the clients who will be in the office today.
As I will be here this evening, who will be here tomorrow morning?
This one.
Isuan me semana sere. Sa invitation is coming to us too.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Passione Maxiale and the St. John Theological College.
Oh, right.
Could he come to good they say good morning to Bishop of Diocese of Polynesia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boleh binaka saka.
Right.
Bishop Bilebu.
Alright.
This morning no Passione Maxiale.
Boleh binaka.
To
Malo walele.
to Jordan's father.
Alright.
Boleh binaka to Father Koroi.
Yeah.
Father
Ano ba,
Aquila
Father?
Tambalo.
Right.
And
not forgetting Esta Senior,
Right.
small Esta, and not forgetting
Esther Junior.
Esta Junior is there too.
Right.
But good morning to Esta Dola
Yeah.
and Passione, not forgetting Tetu,
Right.
and everybody joining from the mast
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
this morning.
All right. We come in and look at the Burra. Yandra Mbulbnaka. And our story this morning
Yeah.
is about the Grok Party,
Yeah.
which
lasts long.
they talk about their code for the next day
Yeah.
about the team that they will
Rugby.
be playing. Yeah.
During the
Yeah.
district meeting,
Yeah.
the district itself was not separated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was
Echo. Echoing the
echoing
Message.
the voice,
Yeah.
the message to all the village.
Yeah.
Each village must have a team. This is a team just to prepare and help to
Development.
development and monetize the school.
Yeah.
Okay.
Meron mga ilawatan ka ng bulay
Top.
bulay.
Yeah.
So they was there in the school. So this village,
Yeah.
nobody was there.
Yeah.
This village, nobody was there.
Right.
Like a man who was supposed to play.
Right.
Yeah.
So they went for the Ganakato.
Yeah.
Before we continue, good morning to all the Ganakato.
Right.
Joining this morning from Namakabu, Baysante, Abitalau,
Yeah.
Bulaminaka, Bulaminaka.
Right.
And they was wondering
Pito
Yeah.
man yan ra.
who will be playing.
Right.
Like last night,
Yeah.
like the day before the game.
Yeah.
It's a 2 days game.
Right.
Right.
So this day,
Yeah.
the people from the Ganakato, they arrive home
In the village.
in the village.
Yeah.
Oy.
When they arrive, they have something to with them.
Matagalilis yan ra.
Yeah, sa waragir tunda kenra nanon ra sumbumay.
Right.
Dana kenri waraki.
One big
the food.
bulugaw.
The food.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because their Gana is for the hall.
Right.
Holy Koro.
Community, eh?
Yeah, for the community.
Yeah.
Valentine.
Right.
So the money,
Right.
the rugby is for the school.
Siya dyan.
School bazaar.
Yeah.
Just to help.
Right.
For that you pay for your, even though you go play in the game for the
Right.
reward.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
they have
Yeah.
their own team like to participate.
Right.
Masar.
Right.
Baka minon
Sabi
rathaw.
begitu, iya.
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 They pay their
Bus fare.
bus fare na punto. They are
Entry fee.
Woman
entry
friend,
fee.
woman friend, you blocking Mr.
No, if I move in front, the fella will gone.
Mr. Charlie.
Mr. Charlie
At
Rendao.
sa karate. Iya.
Yeah. So this fella was there.
Yeah.
So the coach asked him,
Right.
Yeah.
asked them.
Where?
They during the group session,
Right.
Ooh.
you people, boys, there have been a district meeting.
Right.
We were the district one. Each village
Yeah.
must have a team.
Right. And we are fortunate enough that you are here.
Here,
Right.
that you are here.
Right.
So we have to choose
Iya.
12 of you.
Oh, 12.
Mindole tirikarua, you face of our village.
Right.
Kung na matatakatik na
Yeah.
nanto team.
Face to face.
Face to face na face. Lako, and after that,
Iya.
then they coming together.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come, they drink, gonna 4 a.m. they finish.
In the morning.
Yeah. LM69, no, sorry. Wise, tonga ni balu. Yan rabinaka.
Right. Yeah.
Then after that,
Yeah.
they was there in the grog session.
Yeah.
When they was there in the
They
grog
finish
session,
at 4.
they finish at 4.
First game, 8 o'clock in the morning.
8 o'clock in the morning.
Whoa.
So these two 12
Yeah.
was there.
Yeah.
They choose they come back from the Ganakat. Only 2 was there in the village.
Yeah.
Right.
So the people coming, they choose a coach.
Yeah.
They choose a manager.
Hoy.
This team,
So those two, the coach and the manager, never go to the briefing.
they just come and play.
Yeah.
They run the game.
Yeah.
They come, they won all the threes.
Right.
Go tolo no to pool game to ngangakina.
Saan sina?
Tolo.
Boy, mata na ba?
Iya.
Mata ni kita lawalu, or to nganga kaya dan to pool game.
Yo,
So nang ngonen dong gitu.
Warna.
Sa na dorbon dong gitu.
Iya.
Iya.
So they play their all pool games, they won. They goes up to the quarterfinal,
Yeah.
they won the quarterfinal.
Oy sa Chibina ka?
Chiwinak,
Chibina ka
they
sana?
won the quarterfinal. Now they are now to the semi.
Iya.
And the semi, they want to pray.
Oh, they never enlisted.
They pray, but they want the prize.
Okay.
Iya.
They just play for fun.
Teman nga sin mambo tenor tiada ba
Yeah.
semifinal.
They never believe.
Iya.
Unbelievable.
It's a miracle.
Miracle.
Right.
So they was waiting there. manager ko ang kitindi ang mata sama takali mo sa tabi naman tinisik.
Manager, you pray.
Manager, coach,
O
manager.
kasara bosa.
Yeah, bosa ka na buni panua.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your CS
Yeah.
to be part of our team this morning and this afternoon.
Yeah.
Now we are through.
Yeah.
We coming to
Do tu man
the.
lang binto, ano mo bikat di benua?
You are from the Ganakato.
Right.
Ni kuwa do satu na batinara.
Today you are in the playground.
Right.
Erua na Arrowhead ni Matayvalu
There's
don ramatakati.
There's two Black Arrow taxi driver Dubs and LT123.
Matay nasa sangan ni Koro ano bugun ni nonta balisongo.
First of all, the main mission is our household.
Right.
Do rongo na ker ni Koro buli mondo ba chukata nga ano bugun songo.
You had the school property to be begging you to come and
Pusot
be
na
part.
karawa, pusot na kata-kata dito tonda ni matarisiga pata kaya bata-bata ni.
You face a difficulty, you face a consequence, you face the sunlight.
Do pusota na kaya nakama ng dobu, nanduka ni sulu, nakana pa kata mundo may tiko ano
You
bugun songo.
sleepless night, you kneel by mouth
Bita
just
to
to
ng
be
mata
here.
mo pala ng duwa chimundo.
You leave your far behind your
Postmortem.
maternity,
Postmortem.
Postmortem ngor na yali.
Yeah. Do bita to na mundo mo pala ng bita to na duwa chimundo.
You leave the family, you leave the maternity.
Do sale subengo sar do seri kele kem to nangone.
You didn't come here, you didn't show.
Satu weekend to ko na yocho siningito
The
mala
last
kento
breath,
final membala
the
tabi
last
ko bila.
breath, the last hope of our game to reach a final for the prize giving.
Apo mo trisinto weekend to mo tanong tabi na na same
You
final.
didn't truth, you didn't deny, you didn't believe that we are here to the semi.
Ano gitutuwa man di o manang sa sarani mo
I didn't believe as a manager to be called of the believable of the
Do
bringing
resa
up.
me babinakan do rungo diaw.
Listen up carefully. Let's pray.
Sana ba rondo ng tamasu?
Right.
Bio sana masu me kan ditutuwa man di ando sa
Sure.
fadala tabi yaw.
Listen carefully, we are about to pray now.
And the manager take it away.
Let us thanks to the Sama Sungo.
Iya.
Sama
Lako.
Put yourself in the manager's shoes.
We didn't believe that we have been coming. We play for the pool games we all won.
Right.
Iya.
4 a.m. in the morning, they all gone, but I reached the sunlight rise.
Right.
I didn't believe this as a quarterfinal, the main team, they down.
Iya.
But we are now to the semi, the prize getter is ready for us.
Iya na.
We want to take this cup.
Yeah.
Sama sumisangay para kabina.
Yeah.
10,000.
We want the money.
We want the money.
Give me my money.
Give me the money nang dito. Then from there,
Yeah.
kila misan daw mas, daw wala na mas, you know eh.
Iya.
How?
Nakakambula emeni.
Iya.
Misan daw mas ba And the fella was like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for everything. Kene rongo metaw dulu.
Do sa chiko na do rubo.
Do sa chico na daro
Sa ko non tomas.
Sa ko non tomas. Do sa tiu so mo na ililiun tamba taka.
Yeah.
Namo so so ko na mata timi ragabi.
Yeah.
Amoy pa sa buto non tomas na mata ni kuha.
Right.
Sa kene rongo metaw dulu.
Nak matarisata ber matarisiga.
Na wala punjes
Umhango na ba sa witukutuk?
celebrating 90 years.
We love you punches.
Yes, we love you too.
Ngona ya saka kabira kana ngone ngona kita kata bita kana babina ka saka lenga nga. Ya saka kan dali dala tali tu na mata ni singa kataraba.
Akamutan kau be atu. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you receive this greeting.
Nai bola problem mailbag suba.
Ando na mo na bolo me korni bule.
Mili W Sukana Tambua.
Yeah.
Mbula binaka tinay Phoebe.
So.
Yeah, mbula binaka.
Gorko na geng ini siga tokang gori.
Oh, do mbula binaka sigatoka.
Right.
Warni sese maitonga enre George William
Kaliama,
Pickering
kaliama.
Face the sunlight mekama. Labini mbuli, Willie Stack Koloniwai,
Yeah,
Jody. Bill Lasenia, totoka na kay kamida lumison nomu.
What is the hard part during the grog session for you?
The grog session is a hard part is when you see somebody you need him. Robin Lee Remage mbula binaka
Wait, I don't believe you. Because every night you drink grog.
Yeah.
Yeah, because lava is there.
I think you the devil maker.
Devil maker na buli-buli. Pita tawa kaya buli na kataw malo, binabali sa mabuli mai. Tasala laman bibito mo to bata.
Bula
Asa
na.
kay porta tu be ato kay munroy tamba.
Right.
Iyo.
Oh.
Pita tawa ka to bata.
Oh, berapa belum sar ratu isa. 6 miles tadi ruah.
Yes.
Ano na ka? Kemudian kata tempat-tempat juga nembongi.
Di na sar.
Kito na viva karingo na mata oso sar juga na mata ko bikitu.
Iya.
Ya sama kan bikin no kada maru juga nembula. Ya na puna di bawah orang bulu mekina so bikin sa juga na mabuwa. So lutu na tambandra so lenga na durundra.
Iya, dila.
Na daku na so sa mati tu rutunin raki.
Iya.
Tapi mati so itu bira.
Tadi dar gue.
Urek sanangelitia.
Kung go
Lolo mambimbi. Kali apa petrol, Mikael Golombula, why rubbish the back of the store? Ruli nang buli usa sawe ni melatakan
Ana to kini tabu kuna bra.
Iya, tabu berapa?
Tabu kuna berapa?
Alright. Kau beli lebu?
Oh iya.
Pasti nggak mau na. Walimbula.
Iya.
Ciki anak na kababa.
Iya.
Tabu kana berapa? Ya wah.
Nakangan do lenga kina ngon sa do kilaw kan ikitontungan den. Dong giri sa ko birtu ngon nelaw ker du kunila kumay.
Iya, kau kan cuci kuba.
Iyo, jay that timbi good morning. Oh, to malo pakaliw. Sabi dalam
Ito na ka sa tagiri.
So simbay ni buhay.
Oy.
So simbay ni buhay.
Iyo.
Sabi dalam bimbi kay mi kasay lero sa kabula kilo.
Oh, Samuel lah.
Second yang fatay. Kita sa tama.
Doon na ka.
Like hatta kaseta kanon dalay na matari ko nito kan dan wengrami.